This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but they only have an average guarantee. The Breeva A1 model is a basic 3-stage purifier with ambient lighting, a timer mode, a sleep mode, and a 161 square feet coverage area with a 70 CFM delivery rate. The Breeva A1C 3-stage air purifier features an air quality sensor that can control the 4-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode and provides a 3-color indicator of current room air quality. The Breeva A2 model is a 4-stage purifier with the addition of an ionizer and a humidifier. The unit can be controlled through the TCL Home smartphone app or with Alexa and Google Voice commands. The Breeva A3 model adds a UVC light and has a coverage area of 246 square feet with a 159 CFM delivery rate, while the A5 model has a 365 square feet coverage area with a 235 CFM delivery rate. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.